Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning market webcast. Okay, daily chart. So we went ahead and took out. Look, we talked about the all-time high yesterday. However you wanted to slice it, whether it was 78.5 on the continuation chart, whether it was 89 on the front month, it all got broken yesterday. We traded as high as 99.5. 99.75 yesterday, just on the edge of 2,900. We got up over the 2,900 hump in Globex. We traded as high as 29.0375. You can see that we're on an upper band ride. The hourly chart just demonstrates you got compression, expansion, compression, expansion, compression, and we've come back to find support at the hourly mid-band. You can see the hourly bands compressing. If this is just the beginning of compression on the hourly mid-bands, then you're going to get a fairly tight day while the market figures out what it wants to do on Wednesday. Look, the market is absolutely entitled to a day of going nowhere. I mean, we have gone plenty in August. The room is working on a 300 handle month for August. Okay, I mean, we've had some big August before. A couple years ago, August was non-existent. So, you know, it's been a very volatile month. It's been a very productive month. And if this is the beginnings of doing something like this, well, then it is what it is. And, you know, everybody's going to have to just calm down and let it happen. If this is just one of these really quick compressions that then wants to expand, it could expand to the upside, it could expand to the downside. Are we due for a retracement? We're getting there. I mean, we're getting there. You're in the third session involved with the upper band, but that really has no bearing on anything. The Bollinger Bands themselves are starting to widen a little bit, but the Bollinger Bandwidth is 3.0. They're just kind of starting to bend to the upside. I usually don't start screaming, you know, we're coming back in until they get well up over 4 into 5. So, it certainly has time to continue to run. An area to watch for support would be the second standard deviation upper band, which comes in about 28.95, 28.96. Your Globex low is 97.5. So what I'm looking for this morning is, you know, a lot of battling over this roundy, and then this thing's going to, you know, if not today, then by tomorrow, it's going to pick a direction. Either it's going to want to explore fairly deep into the 2900s, or we're going to come on back, test that 9-day again, and see if the bears can get below it this time, or whether it's just another pullback and a reload to buy. It's not going to go up forever. It's not parabolic though. It's like I said yesterday. It's more overbought than it was when we last spoke on the morning webcast yesterday. But it's certainly not completely out of the building. You know, we have an overbought level at 29.0567. I have my crazy town level, which yesterday was 29.09. Today it's gotten moved out to 29.2267 because the 45-day pivot got bumped out yesterday because of the high and the close. So that took the 45-day pivot and bumped it up about 15 handles. So that's going to adjust your crazy town area. And, you know, so is there still room to move up here? Yes. Don't get caught in the trap of every high looks like the top and I want to look like a genius, so I'm going to short it. And if it doesn't work for the 37th time in a row, that's okay. I'll just, you know, slink back into my hole. Or worse, I'll continue to add until I am right, because you'll sell that trade, you'll dump it right about the time that we go down. You're a lot better off missing the top, coming in and shorting a lower high against the high, and letting it pull back in. You know, that's basically what we did back in January. That's what I'll be looking to do again. Until then, though, we're long. We were long yesterday. We were long 89. We got long 92.25. And, you know, we were long 72 before that. And it ended up being, we gave a little bit back in the afternoon, because the afternoon we hit about 12:30 and this thing didn't want to move anymore. So we tried a couple shorts out for a handle. try to long out for a handle. We got chopped up. Ended up being 8 1/3 on the day, and I'll take it. After a gigantic Friday long from 72, I'll take it. So we'll see what this wants to do, but be patient with it. Be patient. Understand we could have a day of going nowhere. And that just because we're up here doesn't mean that we're making the top or a high or in anything. Don't put a label on it. Just trade price. And as long as this 97 to 99 area wants to be support, until that's converted, your higher probability trade continues to be on the long side. All right, everybody take care. I'll be out on social with a bunch of stuff today. Until then, trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.